Listen and read the text. Complete the questions after the text and answer them.
Summer was coming, and the Barkers were thinking about their holidays. John and Sally decided to go to Russia and visit its famous cities, Moscow and St Petersburg. They traveled to Moscow by plane. The Smirnovs met them at the airport, and they drove to the south of Moscow, where the Smirnovs lived. In Moscow, John and Sally stayed with the Smirnovs, but in St Petersburg, they had a room in a small hotel. John and Sally loved Moscow, and they enjoyed St Petersburg very much. In the two cities, they saw a lot of wonderful places: streets and squares, museums and theaters, picture galleries, and churches. They met some Russian people and made friends with them. John spoke some Russian and could understand his new friends when they spoke it. The Barkers did the capital and saw the Kremlin, Red Square, and Moscow University. They saw a ballet in the Bolshoi Theatre. In St. Petersburg, they walked in the Summer Garden, visited the Russian Museum, and had a boat trip under the beautiful bridges of the city. They decided that the Anichkov Bridge was their favorite. John and Sally enjoyed their holidays a lot. They sent the Smirnovs an email to thank them. They wrote they would like to see the Smirnovs in London soon.
1. Last summer, the Barker children had wonderful holidays in Russia. 2. They didn't travel to Russia by plane. 3. The Smirnovs met John and Sally at the airport. 4. The Barker children didn't stay at a hotel in St. Petersburg. 5. In Moscow, John and Sally listened to an opera in the Bolshoi Theatre. 6. In St. Petersburg, they had a boat trip. 7. The Anichkov Bridge wasn't their favorite. 8. John and Sally sent the Smirnovs an email.